her credentials up.
Now, travelers, you have gone through a lot to be here today. I know it's not easy to survive bright suns and pouring skies, yet alone the First Order officers, resistance spies. Honestly, you are quite lucky not only to survive the day, but to make it to the room that many do not get the chance to see. Take a look around. Welcome to our room. I know it's a lot to take in all at once, but for us, this room is our everything. You'll see a few of my friends as you look around the space. You are going to meet them very soon. I am Kembe. Now, I would like to talk about these components that surround you now, because to some of you, this room must look like a room full of old junk. I am here to clarify. Most of this is new junk. See, we call ourselves the Gatherers. We've recently gathered these ancient relics. Our mission is to go to the forgotten places, the battle-ravaged outposts, the war-torn planets. What is there, we preserve here. So yes, I guess to a stormtrooper on patrol, this room should look like worthless clutter. But to those of us who know, I believe we look around and see priceless history. Maybe preserving our past can become the key to assuring our future. That's where you come in. Tell me, you've heard of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yes.
Of course, good. We hear of another, a Jedi called Rey. She brings this spark of hope that we have been waiting for. A spark that brings travelers to look ahead and to build this, the lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and by some of our darkest enemies. The lightsaber is elegant, it's enigmatic, but most importantly, it's a reflection of its builder. The force will flow between you and the lightsaber you create here with us today. But that connection needs one more thing. We call this element the Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber, the element that will focus and magnify the energy of the Force. That being said, the color of your Kyber crystal, it will become the color of the lightsaber you wield. I'm sure you can recognize a few of these crystals, starting with the blue. A crystal wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. The green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet, rare and beautiful, a crystal once wielded by Master Mace Windu.
Yes.
The crystal of power of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Supreme Leader Kylo. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. What color crystal calls to you? I want you to stop for a moment, close your eyes, take a breath. Now I want you to picture your crystal. What color calls to you? Which Kyber crystal lives in the middle of your lightsaber? Once you can see it in your mind, open your eyes. Reach out and choose your crystal. Which one?
Oh. Let me see. Let me see it.
Now, my friends, you'll notice at the front of your station there's a small tray for your Kyber crystal. Go ahead and place your crystal right beside that tray. It's time for us to present to you the pieces to your hilts.
Wait.
center of control. But honestly, these are a lot of parts and pieces to put together to create the hilt. So let's go over that very quick. The left side of your box, that's called the chassis. The right side of your box, those are activation plates. In the middle, you'll see 4 grips, followed by 2 emitters, and then 2 arms. Now that was a lot of words all at once. And don't worry, the force will guide you as you choose your parts and pieces, and so will your new friend across the table. This gatherer will be doing this. Now let's build.
So take that piece first. Watch him. Oh, take your crystal.
Once you have it in, it should make a little sound. It'll light up just like that. You should be able to rotate it. It's all the way in. Would you guys like some assistance?
If you need any help, just
Try
let
one
me
more
know.
time.
This is the trickiest part of the build. So you see, I find the point, I push it upwards, right into the center.
Got it?
Got it. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on, baby.
Once you have the activation plates in your hand, there's going to be a red side and there's also going to be a blue side, alright? It's going to be on that inner corner.
Yeah, you're going to select either this set or this set.
You want this one, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to do both of them. You see there's a red marking on one of them and a blue marking on the other. You're going to put those color markings right on top of the same color.
So red to red.
Yep, just put it right on top.
The other side of your trapeze. Just line it up with this color side.
Is that red to red?
Got it down there okay? Alright. And the other side there. Want to make sure it's a pair.
Other one?
Yep, get the other side.
Reach up towards me. Back down there.
It may have to go the other way, yep.
Can you look at the other side real quick? You flip it around to the other side. Just want them to clip together.
Push up that switch. Back down. There we go. Push back down there again. Now once you have your switch on, we want the sleeves. The sleeves, what we're going to do is you're going to take the bigger
I'm
band.
just going to have you pull them apart
And you're
just
going
so
to
we
push
can see
that
if they're on the right
and then
color.
you're going to twist it, okay? Make sure it's twisted on there tight.
Alright, so we got, you're going to want the colors on top of the colors, so if you flip it to the other side, you want the blue on top of the blue. And the
So that goes right here, like this.
These are ultimately going to be your release.
There you
I'm
go.
going to have him check those switches, whether it was toggle up and on or listen to that sound. But if you want, start
you're just going to test it out, you're going to slide up on that switch.
instead of the side. That makes sense.
Now you're going to select any 2 of these 4 sleeves.
Okay, wait.
You just need 2 of them.
2.
One for the
What I
top.
usually recommend is like
I like that one and this one.
You see they each have these thicker ends, you want that to face the center.
Okay. Okay, which one's on the top?
Okay, so this one goes on the top. Look at that. Look at it. See, you like that? And then this one goes on the bottom like this. Oh, yeah.
Like this?
And twist it. You gotta twist it on. I think you're twisting it the wrong way, baby. Is that going on?
Yeah.
There we go. Other way.
Well, I don't. Dude, this is like
learn how to
leather.
wield these.
Oh my god, sick. Try to switch?
Perfect. So now you're going to select one of these 2 emitters for the very top.
Oh, he likes that one for sure.
Just right. Sometimes you get the lines are just right on there.
Do this way.
There you go. Perfect.
Final piece is going to be one of these 2 final caps for the very top.
No, what? No way. Look at this with the ring. It's from bottom or top?
It's for the bottom.
I can't put this on this one. But it's so heavy.
Are you sure you want this one?
Yeah.
Dude, it's so heavy.
That one said this.
Feel how heavy it is, Jamie.
Yeah.
This one more light.
It is heavy. I like that one better. Yeah.
Do you like the design you made?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna check it really quick just so I make sure everything's working. Perfect. Okay, so when we go to activating just a little bit, and they'll tell you to activate. We'll show you in a minute. So you're gonna slide up to activate and then down to the activate. Okay?
Alright, to activate your push that
Thank you.
I think maybe sit it there for now. I don't know.
Yeah, you can sit it right there. That's sweet.
Bro, remember you pulled up that little plastic one in the gift shop?
This is worth it. Ow. I bet you on this.
Hurry the faster.
No, it's not